filling up, doing the finishing. Now, where there was a tree, there's now only a stump on the broken stem of the tree. That's what's left of the tree that was here. Well, they've come across this side of the alley now. And they're beginning to dig up across the alley. Going for another scoop. Breaking up the hard surface. Yep, finally coming alongside the house. Yep. He is coming along about 30 feet of breaking up there. Okay. They've managed to move some stuff within an hour. Whatever is that frame, they need to get it in before they enter a pipe section. One truck's filling up the hole with brick stones. Well, having put about 2 or 3 pipes on the ground here, they're now beginning to fill up this spot. Must be preparing for the end of the day. They're putting up the orange fence. The big machine has reached this spot by 2 o'clock today. Sunday 29th July, looking at 15th Avenue. So they have cut a chunk off of the curb and they're getting closer to the sidewalk, but they've gone this far down the street. Monday, 30th of July, and they've moved this far down almost to the corner. Okay. He's gonna still be digging his little trench there. After getting a pipe inside that square block, I have to try to line it up. Now we're getting ready to add some stones to that area. Getting ready to add some stones to that area. It's Monday, July 30th, 7 p.m. in the evening, and this is how far the backhoe has gotten. They brought their work right up to the corner. This is the extent of the channel they're digging. You can see through the net where the last of the new pipe is, and here's a better view. New pipe coming from all the way down the street. Looking from the other angle, this is where the pipe is going. They'll continue under that hole underneath the street there. July 31st, Tuesday. They've gotten the last pipe, I think. The last pipe to join the old pipe over there.